Hey guys, so today we're going to go over how to make dollies to put underneath your sled skis and your track so that way you can wheel it around. So I had made these out of some 2x6 and just 4 caster wheels on the bottom. Didn't really think about it before I made them. I made these, I don't remember, last year or something, and they suck. They're not wide enough and they end up rolling out of the sides of the skis. So today I'm going to do a little bit different design, remake these and get it where I can actually wheel the sled around and it's not getting hung up on rocks and rolling out from underneath the skis every single time I try to move the sled. So here we go. Next thing we're going to do, go ahead and measure the actual width of my ski here. So we're about 7 inches. So we want to make sure, well, I'll show you guys what we're going to do. But basically, we're going to make a box out of 4 pretty, I don't know, 1 to 2 inch wide boards. And we'll make kind of like a cradle for the ski to sit in so it can't fall off either side. So, 7 inches, yeah, about 7 inches. And then, I don't know, we'll just go 12 inches long. That should give us a pretty decent range of support underneath the ski there. So I've got about a dozen chunks of 1x2, about 20 inches long, just scraps that I've had laying around. So we'll go ahead and cut those to length. We'll do 12 inches long, and then we're gonna go, I guess, 11 inches wide so that we can account for either side of it and really put that in a cradle. We'll do that for the 2 skis, and then I'll kind of see what I want to do with the track dolly. We'll see what we want to do with that one, but probably going to be pretty close to the same dimensions. So obviously, first things first, we'll get these old wheels pulled out of these so we can reuse them. Strips that don't want to come out. Alright, so we got all our boards cut for the skis, so we'll start getting them assembled and put together. So to put these together, we're going to take 2 of our shorter pieces, 2 of our longer pieces, kind of get my bench cleaner or else get a bigger one. They're running out of space to work here. Get your boards kind of arranged. And that's going to give us about a 7-inch cradle right there. So now, go ahead and take your wheels. Looks like they're gonna, I'll end up ripping a screw out. Go ahead and position them like this. Hopefully that's going to work okay. actually going to drill some pilot holes on this next one because this wood line is split. There we go. There's one cart all made, or dolly, whatever you want to call it. And the ski is just going to sit right in there. Should be nice and sturdy, and it's not gonna, the ski's not gonna roll out every time I go to shove the sled around. So now we just got to make one more of these, and we'll make one for the rear, and we'll be good. All right, there's the finished product. And we'll just throw it underneath this thing and make sure that it rolls around okay. There we go, guys. The new dollies fit perfectly underneath the skis. They cradle them nice and well so that way they're not going to fall out when we go to shove this thing around. It's working really well so far. Really happy with it. Something you guys can do super quick and easy at home. I think the most expensive part was probably the wheels, which I got from Home Depot for I think about $1 a piece. So all in all, I mean, between that and the screws, the lumber was just scrap. I mean, pretty much negligible cost there. So I mean, under 20 bucks anyway, you can have a set of these. So hope that helped somebody, and we'll catch you later.